If you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and want to avoid downloading and installing each application from the official websites, as well as manually updating those applications every time a new version is released, UniGetUI is likely the program you need. UniGetUI is a free and open source tool that allows you to download and install most of the programs you need from one place. It also provides the option to manually update all the programs you have installed on your PC with a single click, or to enable automatic updates that the application offers. You can download the program from the official website, the link will be in the video description. You will also find a link to GitHub where you can view the source code of the application. When you visit the official website, you will see several ways to download the program. I will choose the first option, download, which means downloading directly from the site. After you download the program and start installation, you will be prompted to choose the location where the program will be installed. You will then have the option to select the type of applications you want to install. The first option is perform a portable installation, which you choose if you want to install only portable applications through this program. Portable applications are programs that you can save on a USB device or any other storage device and run on any computer without needing installation. The second option, which is selected by default, is perform a regular installation, meaning that the applications will be installed in usual way, directly on your computer. We will leave the second option selected and click Next, then Install, after which the installation of the program will begin. Once the installation is successfully completed and the program is launched, you will see a segment labeled Search for Packages. Here you can type the name of the application you want to install. For example, I will type Brave. After that, you will receive a list of all applications with that name that we can install. The first column contains the names of the applications. The second column is the ID of the applications. The third column is indicating the version. And the fourth column shows the source that will be used for installation. In this case, it is Winget. To install the desired application, all you need to do is select it and click the Install Selected Packages button. Once you do that, at the bottom of the program, you will see a segment that shows you the progress of the installation process, and at the end, a Cancel button. If you change your mind, you can click this button to cancel the installation. When the installation process is successfully completed, you will receive a notification saying installation succeeded. Now we will check if we have the Brave web browser on our computer. As you can see, the program has been successfully installed. Now, for example, we will install 7-zip. And Proton VPN. In addition to installing programs in one place, the biggest advantage of this application is that it allows you to update all the applications you have installed. When you click the Software Update button, you will see a list of all applications you have installed for which new versions are available. The segment labeled Version shows the version you currently have on your computer, while the New Version segment indicates the new version that is available for installation. If you want to update all applications, since all are selected by default, all you need to do is click Update Selected Packages. If you only want to update some applications, simply deselect the ones you do not want to update. For example, I will uncheck Microsoft Teams and then click Update Selected Packages. You will again be able to track the progress. If you want to exclude a specific application from updates and do not want to receive notifications about new versions of that application, simply select the application and click the Ignore Selected Packages button. After that, the application will no longer be on the list and you will not receive update notifications for it. If you change your mind later, click on Manage Ignored Updates, where you will see a list of applications you have added to the update exceptions. You can remove the application from the list to start receiving update notifications again. When you click the Installed Packages button, you will get a list of all the applications you installed on your computer. If you want to remove one or more of them, simply select the ones you want to uninstall. For example, I will select PhoneLink, Microsoft OneDrive and Microsoft 365 Copilot and then click Uninstall Selected Packages button. Confirm your selection by clicking Yes, after which the removal of the selected programs from your computer will begin. When you click the Package Bundles button, you have the option to create a list of all applications you want to install. This is very useful if, for example, you are installing the same applications on multiple different computers at work, or if you want to reinstall your operating system. You can create a list of all the applications you need and then install them all with a single click. To create a list, we will click on Installed Packages again to view all the applications we have and then select a few of them. Then click the Add Selection to Bundle button. Now, when we click on Packages Bundles, we will see all the applications we previously selected. To save the created list, click on Save Bundle As button. Then you will have the option to name the list and choose the format in which it will be saved. To add the saved list back into the program, click on Open Existing Bundle and select the list you previously created. When you click on Package Managers button, you will receive a list of all the sources used for installing applications. If you do not want to use any of these sources, simply deselect them by clicking on the slider. If you want the installed applications to be updated automatically as soon as new versions are available, you can set this up by clicking on Settings, then Install and Update Preference. To enable automatic updates, simply click on the slider in the section Install Available Updates Automatically. Here you can specify the time frame for checking for new versions. By default, this frame is set to 10 minutes, but you can change it if you wish. Additionally, if you want the option to reverse to original state, meaning you want a backup to be created during the updating of the applications, go one step back and click on Package Backup. Activate this option. To apply these changes, you will need to restart the application by clicking the Restart UniGetUI button. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.